Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max battery draining issue first. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, there are a few things you can try to fix an iPhone 14 battery draining fast issue. So guys, first of all, check for your software update. Make sure your iPhone 14 is running on the latest version. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update here and wait for checking for update. So guys, if you have available any update on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So after this, the next solution is reduce your screen brightness or use auto brightness. So for this, open control center and reduce your brightness to normally. So after this, the next solution is close background apps on your iPhone. So for this, swipe up and closed all the apps on the background. So then after this, the next solution is turn off location services for apps that don't need it. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on privacy and security, tap on location services, and if you're not using on App Store, like never, I'm not using for camera, never, so like this. So for after this, go back, and then after this, the next solution is use low power mode. So for this, open control center and use low power mode from here. And then after this, so guys, check for a hardware issues. If none of the above steps work for you, your iPhone 14 may have a hardware issue causing the battery to drain quickly. Consider consulting with Apple Support or taking your iPhone 14 to an Apple authorized service provider for further diagnosis. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.